right.
You kind of touched on this in there, but tell me, other than, I guess the cynic would say because the cameras might show up, but what is an Attorney General candidate doing at a healthcare press conference?
Well, typically, in past years, you probably would not expect an Attorney General candidate to be talking about health care, but our current Attorney General, Eric Schmidt, has involved Missouri in a lawsuit to try to take away coverage for pre-existing conditions and eliminate many of the other protections in the Affordable Care Act. So it's not an issue I expected to be running on as Attorney General, but it's one that we have to talk about because of the issue that our current Attorney General has made of it.
Typical issues are law and order type things.
Mm-hmm.
Give me your assessment of the idea of, because a lot of people, regardless of party, are frustrated and upset with crime, and specifically I hear Democrats that are unhappy with Kim Gardner, even though she was just reelected, won the primary. What do you think of, should the Attorney General be stepping in to help with crime, prosecute violent cases, murder cases in the city of St. Louis?
Violent crime is a big problem, not just in the city of St. Louis, but all across the state of Missouri. And I think we need leadership that actually has experience to deal with those problems. You know, I spent my career as a federal prosecutor fighting crime mostly in the city of St. Louis. Our current Attorney General had never been a prosecutor before he came to the job of AG. And we're seeing that in the rising crime rates that we've seen during his tenure. So I'm committed to working with Kim Gardner and any other local prosecutor to reduce crime rates across our state and restore public confidence in the safety of our communities.
Do you have an opinion on concurrent jurisdiction?
I don't think concurrent jurisdiction as proposed by our legislature is necessary because we already have the ability under Missouri law for the Attorney General to help out a local prosecutor when they ask for it. We're not asking for Eric Schmidt's help in the city of St. Louis. His work has not made it better for us so far, and so I don't think we need to have a proposal like that to keep people safe.
What do you think about those in the city of St. Louis, for instance, who just the other day wrote defund the police in the Central West End? A lot of people on the left in a city that's pretty blue think that some of those resources for the police could go to preventing crime. What do you think about that?
So Eric Schmidt's been trying to distort my record on this issue, so let me be very clear. I do not support defunding the police. I believe that we need to be investing more resources both in the police and in other aspects of our criminal justice system and our social system in order to make sure that we reduce crime rates. I don't think that a solution like just taking away money from police departments is going to remedy the public safety problems and the equality problems that we've been seeing in our system.
What else would you like people to know? You know, this is, I don't know, what else would you like people to know?
The big thing that I've been talking about in this campaign is the importance of having a Attorney General who's going to put people ahead of politics. You know, our current Attorney General, Eric Schmidt, had never been a prosecutor before he was elected, before he was appointed into the job by our unelected governor, Mike Parson. And I think that's showing in the way he's governing this state and the way he's carrying out the responsibility of the AG's office. So I hope the voters are going to look at my resume, look at my background, look at what I did before I ever entered politics last year, and realize that's the kind of experience they're looking for in the Attorney General's office.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.